they're already selling these.
Yeah.
They're out on the road.
Great.
So we've been driving it around since March.
So you got it in March, all right? And what are your conclusions? You have
my bottom line is kind of an experiment gone right.
Yeah.
I think there's a lot of cool things. I'll definitely go.
This is it's ridiculous. Yeah, look at it. You've got to be the hottest thing on the road when you drive, especially on warm days like this.
It's a great day like this, and in the city of Detroit, you know, it's fantastic. So.
Oh my gosh, I am sure. Well, in real life, at night, because people have a lot of car envy.
Definitely. But yeah, it's got lots of great things in it.
So did Tesla just ask you to come out?
They don't know. They don't know I'm here yet.
You're kind of rogue.
Yeah, I just kind of came out, you know.
He's a rogue. He's a rogue guy. Just you know.
Yeah. No. I think that what they did was a pretty cool thing with the car, and certainly we're interested in it from a user interface standpoint. But you know, everyone hears about the car, they read about it. I like to be able to get them out there and. Yeah, the things that are up here.
So tell me about your smart car.
Well, it's called the Smart 4.2. 4.2 people. That's the model.
Okay. You guys are kind of a Ford, though, right?
Yeah, they just released some information by fourth quarter of next year. There's no plans for electric on that. We're working with Nissan on a 4-seater for the U.S.
How far do you guys go to church?
Right now, this is phase 2 of a 3-phase program. They started phase 1 in 2007 in London. We're doing about 250 cars in the U.S. on a phase 2 program. This one's working off of a Zytec electric motor, the Tesla battery right now.
Oh, really?
Doing about an 84-mile range right now with a 60-mile-an-hour.
They're building them in.
We're going to use the Daimler motor.
You know, maybe
right now, in the couple of weeks.
It's great. So how's it going? How are you guys doing?
Very, very well.
Really?
Great response from the industry and
Yeah.
customers. Booking a lot of orders for them. It's going very, very well.
Is it, who's doing your pack? Is it Johnson?
Johnson Controls.
Johnson Controls.
Controls.
Yeah.
That's a new plant in Holland.
Yeah, we love that.
Right, absolutely.
It's all Michigan.
Going to be assembling.
Yeah, it's great. It's great. Yeah, no, that's really terrific. In fact, all three were there when we did the announcement celebrating it. So I'll be back to you just right now. Okay. See, now when is the paintings coming? Late 20s. Okay.
Yeah, just a color patch. I really like the fact that it's on the floor. This is a prototype vehicle for powertrain.
Yeah.
So when I pass the top hat on, it's going to be a really cool custom.
Now is Johnson Controls doing your batteries on this too?
Not on this one.
Oh yeah, LT's doing it. You guys are just going all over. You guys made Ford.
Yes, it is. Enjoy it, Lisa.
So the reason why this is so much more challenging, and that's so you guys have to really do a lot more integration.
And we have Dave with BMW.
Governor Dave Butchko,
Dave,
BMW.
how are you? Nice to see you.
Very nice to see you. This is our Mini E.
Now, it looks exactly like the Mini.
It does look exactly like the Mini, but
Is there any external difference in it?
no. It's externally it is just a Mini, but it's a full electric vehicle. So, 600 of these on the road, 450 in the United States, because we understood in the development of electric vehicles there was a lot we didn't know about life with electric vehicles on a day-to-day basis. So we put these mostly in the hands of private individuals to drive just every day, day in, day out. And we were really excited to see what we found out about it. We found that they were very easy to live with. We found that a range of about 80 to 100 miles suited most people's daily driving needs. They didn't have to make any kind of adjustments about how they drove when they were here. Knowing that all they had to do was leave the house in the morning and go back at the end of the day, they were quite comfortable with that.
And your plug is on the other side.
It's right here where the fuel filler is. Yes. Yes, you do. Yeah, which we did as part of the program for the individuals. 4 to 5 hours. Yeah.
Yeah, totally.
All right, I'll give you.
Okay.
Okay.
Port safety tips.
Once she finishes, we're going to do the charging stations and have some